KOkilaben Ambani Hospital and Medical Research Institute is an outcome of a dream come true. Inaugurated in early 2009 at Andheri, Mumbai, the hospital is built by the Reliance Group and is the first of the group's flagship community initiatives. Shri Dhirubhai Ambani believed a hospital is not a place where money and profit is important. Every single life saved or a patient cured would give me more satisfaction than mere financial gains.
Indians deserve the very best healthcare the world has to offer, and we have made it our mission to deliver it. Driven by purpose, not profit, we are determined to bridge the gaps in the healthcare fabric and extend the embrace of care across the communities. After all, no man is an island. It is our communities that nourish us and empower us. And this is the genesis of our institution. Going forward, we will strive to reach more people, touch and save more lives. This is our commitment, and we dedicate ourselves to fulfilling it.
Built on the 4 pillars: talent, technology, infrastructure, and care pathways, KOkilaben Hospital comprises of 10 lakh square feet of space and spread over 19 floors, built in conformity with the best of global standards. Talent. No effort has been spared to scout and bring on board the best medical professionals in various clinical specialties from across the globe. We are the only hospital in Mumbai to function with a full-time doctor system, which ensures doctors' availability around the clock. This system is in line with global best practice and is patient-centric. The system ensures transparency, accountability in the treatment, and the doctor has no compulsion or incentive for unnecessary procedures. And this helps in giving dedicated time to each patient. Patient rooms. Patient rooms at KOkilaben Hospital have been designed to ensure complete patient comfort and privacy and include wards with 5 beds in each room, twin sharing rooms with private entertainment for each patient, single rooms that are spacious with all possible amenities, deluxe suites with all amenities designed to cater to the comfort of the patients and the accompanying relatives. KOkilaben Hospital houses 15 centers of excellence, 26 specialty departments, 20 super specialty clinics, and 5 patient support groups. At the head of our offerings stand our centers of excellence and include the Center for Brain and Nervous System. Our center is a super specialty department that is supported by precision-driven technologies that avoid damaging the sensitive parts of the brain and nervous systems, providing cutting-edge care in neurology, neurosurgery, and interventional neuroradiology, with special emphasis on DBS surgery for Parkinson's, Wilson's disease, epilepsy surgery, developmental disabilities, and stroke. The IMRIS Suite, a world first at KOkilaben Hospital, is one such unique technology which facilitates MRI imaging inside the operation theatre during brain tumor surgery, enabling the surgeon to take a more informed decision to avoid repeat surgery. The center is also supported by 2 new generation and most advanced 3 Tesla MRIs with whole body and functional imaging capabilities for more accurate diagnosis, and a biplane cath lab that improves accuracy and safety of neuro interventions, as the blood vessels of the brain can be visualized in 2 planes. This is the only installation in the private sector in Mumbai. The Center for Cancer. This center is the largest and most comprehensive cancer center in the private sector in Mumbai. It offers the entire range of cancer care services across medical, surgical, and radiation oncology, and is fully equipped to tackle all aspects of cancer care. The center has a 30-bedded daycare unit for chemotherapy, with specialist nurses delivering the chemotherapy. Our strength lies in having dedicated oncosurgeons for head and neck, breast, pulmonary, gastrointestinal, urological, gynecological, and musculoskeletal oncology, etc., with each surgeon focusing exclusively on their subspecialty. The center offers robotic surgical solutions through 2 robotic surgical units for various cancers, also pain management and palliative care services, where patients suffering from any kind of pain are assessed and treated, thus improving their quality of life. The center also has cutting-edge radiation therapy facilities, supported by linear accelerator-based technologies, including EDGE, Trilogy, and Novalis TX. EDGE is the most advanced high-precision radiosurgical tool for knifeless surgery and the first installation of its kind in Asia. A 40-slice PET CT, the first in India, offers more accurate diagnostic capability for the identification and location of cancer. The Center for Cardiac Science. The Center for Cardiac Science provides an all-inclusive program for the management of heart disease from newborns to seniors, including prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation. It is supported by 4 cath labs, the largest number in the city of Mumbai. The center is supported by 2 advanced cardiac CAT scans that has made diagnosis a lot easier for the patient. The Center for Bone and Joint. This center is a hub for latest in technology, advanced technical skills, and medical expertise, with facilities focusing on every aspect of orthopedic care and rehabilitation. The department has super specialists for minimally invasive spine surgeries, joint replacements, arthroscopic surgeries, trauma, pediatric orthopedic surgeries, and orthopedics and musculoskeletal cancers. The center has dedicated operation theatres installed with computer-aided navigation systems for joint replacement and arthroscopic surgeries that provide accuracy and better long-term results. The center has the first of its kind spine surgery suite, which includes the latest O-arm with a specialized spine table and an advanced navigation system for accurate and safe spine surgeries with reduced risk of repeat surgeries and other complications like paralysis. Center for Children. Care of sick children has been one of the cornerstones in our planning and delivers complete services for robust child health. The center provides specialized and comprehensive support for children. It has dedicated pediatric ICUs and neonatal ICUs to provide special care to critically ill children and newborns. Our center additionally specializes in pediatric oncology, child psychiatry, pediatric neurology, rehabilitation, and learning disorders, with our specialist doctors available at all times under one roof. Children's Heart Center. KOkilaben Hospital's Children's Heart Center is the most comprehensive facility of its kind in Western India. We have the largest registry of complex surgical and interventional cardiology procedures performed at this center, with more than 100 procedures performed per month. Babies as young as a day old and weighing as little as 2.5 kilograms undergo complex cardiac surgeries here. Center for Mother and Child. Our maternity care center is located on a single floor, offering mother and child services, including fetal, neonatal and pediatric services. An advanced fetal care center is specially designed for the evaluation of unborn babies with medical problems. Our experts perform minimal access surgeries and robotic surgeries to treat various gynecological disorders. Besides maternity care, the department also offers reproductive endocrinology, IVF treatment, and gynecological oncology services. The Center for Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, India's largest and most comprehensive rehabilitation center, encompasses remedial care for stroke patients, children with cerebral palsy, sports injuries, and chronic pain. The center is supported by dedicated inpatient beds, a first of its kind. A key feature at the center is its ability to manage disease related to aging and its work towards getting seniors back on their feet at the earliest, filling the gap with comprehensive services and latest technologies like 2 Locomats and 2 Armios, which are robotic-driven orthoses and computer-enabled rehabilitation devices to improve lower and upper limb impairments respectively in patients with brain injuries, neurological disorders or strokes. The center also has 2 hyperbaric oxygen chambers. Center for Sports Medicine. The Center for Sports Medicine focuses on treating patients, be it professional athletes or any other patients with musculoskeletal problems, with excellent rehabilitation facilities. Should a patient require surgical intervention, the expertise and experience of the Arthroscopy and Sports Orthopedics Department at the Center for Sports Medicine is unparalleled. Center for Minimal Access and Robotic Surgery offers minimally invasive surgery and robotic surgery, a breakthrough surgical technique using 2 Da Vinci surgical systems, including the latest XI system, which is an effective, minimally invasive alternative to both open and laparoscopic surgery. We have experts performing advanced robotic surgeries in conditions of urology and uro-oncology, gynecology and gynaec-oncology, head and neck, gastroenterology, ENT, thoracic, pediatrics and obesity surgery. Center for Cosmetology and Plastic Surgery. The Aesthetic Clinic offers a complete range of medical and surgical aesthetic solutions for hair, skin and body, under the supervision of trained and experienced cosmetic dermatologists, cosmetic surgeons, aesthetic therapists, and diet counselors. The widely researched treatment modalities are safe, effective, and ideal for all skin types. A plush interior is thoughtfully designed to soothe the senses, and the multiple spacious treatment rooms are equipped with cutting-edge technology to provide the best surgical and non-surgical cosmetic care at par with the international standards. Center for Critical Care. KOkilaben Hospital has the largest number of critical care beds in the city of Mumbai, with 180 ICU beds and dedicated isolation rooms. Our effort to give patients the best has prompted us to incorporate special technical features in our ICUs. For example, the ceiling-mounted dual-arm pendants ensure that the space around the patient is not cluttered. Center for Diabetes and Bariatric Surgery offers comprehensive treatment for pediatric and adult diabetes with a multidisciplinary team of endocrinologists, vascular surgeons, nephrologists, bariatric surgeons, nutrition counselors, and diabetes coordinators. Obesity surgeries are performed through laparoscopy or robot assistance. Center for Emergency Medicine. At KOkilaben Hospital, treatment begins not when you reach the hospital, but once a patient is wheeled into our ambulance. This is the only Level 1 trauma center in the city of Mumbai, across both the private and public sectors. Moreover, the emergency unit has 2 dedicated elevators for immediate transfer of patients to the operating rooms and intensive care units. Center for Transplant. The KOkilaben Ambani Hospital offers kidney, liver, heart, lung and bone marrow transplant program with a multidisciplinary team of experts. The kidney and liver transplants are both cadaveric and living related transplants. 2 operation theatres are dedicated for transplants and there is also a dedicated 7-bed transplant ICU. HEPA filters maintain the highest standard of air quality in these OTs and ICUs, which matches international standards. This minimizes the chance of infections, as transplant patients have reduced levels of immunity. KOkilaben Hospital has the largest bone marrow transplant unit in Mumbai, where bone marrow transplants are done on adults as well as children for blood cancers and non-cancer conditions like thalassemia. Our other specialities at the hospital include anesthesiology, clinical hematology, dentistry, dermatology, endocrinology, ENT, fetal medicine, gastroenterology, general surgery, genetics and molecular medicine, HPB surgery, internal medicine, interventional radiology, laboratory medicine, minimal access surgery, MAS, nephrology, comprising the largest dialysis center in Mumbai with 42 units, nuclear medicine, ophthalmology, psychiatry, pulmonary medicine, radiology, regenerative medicine, stem cells, reproductive endocrinology and infertility, IVF, transfusion medicine, blood bank, urology, including gender reassignment surgery and vascular surgery. Other features that makes us special include executive health screening, separate from the areas dealing with sick. This complex provides an environment that is not hospital-like and allows you to get back to work in the quickest possible time. Convention and Exhibition Center. The Convention Center, which is dedicated to the memory of Dr. Neetu Manke, is geared to host national and international events with a capacity to accommodate up to 1,000 delegates. Food and beverages. Patient meals are hygienically prepared in an industrial-grade kitchen. We are the first hospital in the region with a dedicated food court, a fine dining restaurant, and satellite stations serving snacks around the clock. We are the only hospital in Mumbai with all 4 accreditations, JCI, CAP, NABH and NABL, that are testimony to our drive for excellence and safety in all aspects of patient care. KOkilaben Ambani Hospital offers patient care, medical expertise and infrastructure at par with international standards, which is why we have patients coming for treatment from various parts of the world. KOkilaben Hospital is in the forefront of education and research. The hospital runs postgraduate training programs in 27 specialities, including Diplomate of National Board, DNB, Masters of Emergency Medicine, in collaboration with George Washington University, USA, fellowship programs, and an international advanced stereotactic clinical school. This school is the only one in Asia and will train doctors, physicists, and radiation technologists in the most recent advances in radiation therapy. It also runs the KOkilaben Ambani Nursing College, offering post-basic and BSc nursing programs. The hospital has an NABH-accredited Institutional Ethics Committee to approve and oversee all clinical trials and research projects in the hospital. The hospital has completed more than 350 research projects so far, including 33 international trials in a short span of 9 years. Giving back to society. We have set aside and will continue to set aside a corpus of funds every year for treating the lesser privileged sections of the society free of cost. For at its core, we remain a non-profit organization. At KOkilaben Ambani Hospital, indeed, every life matters.